Everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video I will show you how to create a professional CV in Canva in 1 minute. Okay, to do this you have to go to the canva.com first, then go for creative design or search here CV. You will find a lot of template, so let me just choose this one, click on it, and then click on customize the template. Now just change your name and everything you want to change. Okay, you can add more design from element. Let's say shape, you can use shape. Okay, a different shape. What is this? Right, this way. Okay, so you can do a lot of changes here according to your needs, and then when you completed this section, then just go for download, click here share, and then click on download. And if you want to print it, then go for this PDF print version, or if you want to send as a document, like you want to email someone, then go for PDF standard. Okay, then just click on download and it will start downloading. So this is the way you can create your CV in a professional way, just within 1 minute. Okay, so see you in the next video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel